Alright, so just picked up this E39 M5, one owner, 230,000 miles on it. The exterior needs a lot of love. The trunk is pretty scratched up. The roof is pretty scratched up. But the interior looks fucking immaculate. You do not want to pass that up, honestly. What do you think? We'll get it running tomorrow?
2 days.
2 days? Apparently it lost oil pressure while the guy was driving or something, and they took the oil pan off and the oil pump was like in shavings and stuff.
One owner.
But it is one owner.
One owner.
Guy bought it brand new from the dealer. So I think it's gonna be a fucking fun project. We got my other M5 right here. Got the E46 over there. Fuck, dude. I guess we need to start taking off the fucking valve cover and shit. See if we can spare the cylinder heads. Anything could have happened, honestly, with this thing. Oh. Again, bought it for a great fucking deal. Clean title. The steering wheel is in good shape. Shifter's in good shape. Fucking feels like a mafia car in this bitch. These trumpets. Of the way there, you know, moving strong.
You got a little bit.
You got
right
one
here.
throttle actuator for both.
That's pretty crazy. It's the same one as S54 too. The same
Just
assembly.
a different link, little linkage thing right here. What is this? Where does all this stuff go? These hoses are fucked.
Damn. Was that just loose?
Yeah, this was just showing her. Maybe it's on. Oh, it goes to the bottom of the manifold. I think someone started to take it apart and then figured the motor was blown and sold it to me, I guess. I guess we start fucking taking the valve covers off. Yeah. Dude, it looks like it's gonna be a pain in my ass. Oh. Take that off. That just pulls out. You gotta start documenting somewhere.
Shit, this is the easy part. Going back together.
Yeah, right
What?
now I'm just like aimlessly taking it apart. Don't really know what I'm doing. Never worked on this car before.
It's pretty self-explanatory.
I guess. Serious like coolant contraption going on here. It's got like big ass fucking housing. Where did that
battery
like,
cable,
they just
power
decided
cable.
to fucking stick a battery fucking terminal.
Let's
right
go
there?
through the valve cover.
Yeah. That's pretty sick.
No, it's perfectly symmetrical.
Well, the thing is, dude, I would just buy the short block without knowing. Imagine like I can't use the heads from this motor. here. Just fucking start like stepping inside.
Get on there.
Fucking
Just pull the motor. Just pull the fucking whole motor out.
right now. Oh, we got it, boys.
Squiggle.
Do you even know what that's for, dude? That's so the coolant can travel to the piston.
I thought it was for the fuel. The spark plug.
No, the fuel sits down here. So it picks it up. When the engine runs, it picks the fuel up. And this helps it go past through the bris pin.
Shit came out, that was funny.
Alright, so we got the E39 on the lift. And when we took this plastic off, we found some cool stuff. I don't know how that stuff got there.
It could have been when they opened the old pan up.
Yeah.
Because,
Most likely.
I mean, they did.
It definitely didn't exit the motor, that's for sure. But I looked down up into the valve covers and I found that the chain guide was snapped in half. So hopefully the bottom end on this thing isn't too bad. Vic, just remove that next cover. Man, this looks crazy. It's crazy how different this is from the E46. Same year, but like look how the trans mounts.
Yeah. It's the same. It's the same. It's got to be the same transmission.
It's fucking big body. That subframe looks
Dude,
insane.
look at the routing for the slave cylinder. Perfect loop, and then goes to the same fucking spot.
Interesting. It's a big ass motor, dude. It's leaking power steering
The front
fluid.
subframe is completely different.
Yeah. Everything is different on this car. It's all its own.
But do you see how it works? There's mounts here.
But you know what's crazy? I don't see any rust. The rear diff is leaking.
This is literally the only rust. And that's surface rust. You hit that with a brush, it's fine.
Got a little bit of like surface stuff here.
I mean,
The
it's
diff is
inevitable.
leaking. Where's that coming from? The front seal?
Looks like it's going
Pretty
back.
bad.
Coming out here, going backwards.
That front seal is looking pretty.
Check, shine up here, bushings. Not even that, I mean, can't really
It's
see
pretty
it.
shot. It looks shot.
Pry bar.
No way.
There's no way it goes, yeah, look,
Head
head,
up.
head, and then...
Everything else looks pretty good, man. Check the play on the wheels.
The other side's solid. Fuck, perfect.
It's pretty good, right? It's gonna get coils for sure. Quick drain. Watch out! Watch out! There we go. Yo! No! You don't need to wash your head, though. Alright, so we cleaned up the plastics. Looks way better than what it did. And we can put these in storage because we're not going to be installing them for a while. Alright, so we got the front end off the car. Gaining more access to the motor little by little. Blocking off the AC lines.
Fucked up.
Yeah, so we're just gonna pour this back into the engine later, right? The coolant.
Well, you gotta reuse the same fluid because it's you can't just put new fluid in the old motor.
I don't think it works like that either. So break it in especially.
No, it'll just fucking blow up. You gotta put the old fluid in, that way it runs efficiently, you know?
Yeah, you're
It's
right.
gonna get better gas mileage. The speakers are gonna be louder.
pulled the timing cover off of the front of our S62. We found this fucking massive scoring on the front cover. This timing chain guide right here is broken completely. It's done for. Absolutely fucked. This guide right here is also broken completely. This guide is broken. See, we had this piece just chilling in here. So yeah, this S62 has seen some very catastrophic failure, but we spun the engine around a few times. It spins super freely, and I think that we have a good bottom end, good heads, and just some really bad timing chain guide Got the Vanos off. About to start taking the cams out. Alright, so we got the cams out now. I don't know, like that. With all the Vanos sprockets, etc., etc. This side is really bad. Look at all this metal that creeped up in here. Anyways, cams out. Heads coming off so we can check out the cylinder walls, and got the boys helping me out, man. They always down to give a hand, bro. So let's see what these fucking cylinder walls look like, dude.
About to strip his head.
About to do what?